Hello everyone. So this video I'm making for all my lovely CMA aspirants जिनका एग्जाम्स अभी जुलाई टर्म में ड्यू है. So yes guys, I know you are very much worried, you are very much stressed out as the days are coming closer and closer. You are getting more and more anxious. But do not worry, this last 2 weeks master strategy is going to boost up your confidence. So yes guys, this is the master strategy that I have prepared for you. Very quickly I am going to brief you about the strategy. First of all, stay calm. Take a chill pill. Do not panic because you are not the only one on this planet who is sitting for this exams. ठीक है? So everyone, so many people are giving. We have also given. So try to handle that pressure because I know you are going to, clear your exams with very great marks. In fact, you're going to get rank also, exemption also in multiple paper. So please start being very positive. The more you say positive, you are going to attract the positive things. But if you feel down, if you demotivate yourself, in that case the performance will be not that good. ठीक है? तो इसलिए एकदम charged up रहो, pumped up रहो and give your best shot. So here is the strategy. Revise 7 papers. यानी Ma'am, we have got total 8 papers, but why you are asking us to revise 7 paper? Because जो 8th paper है आपका, मतलब just the for example your exams are starting from 15th, तो 15th को आपका जो paper है, वो paper आप 4 days before 15th करोगे ही. So remaining 7 papers को अगर even if you are starting from today, at least try करो 1.5 day में आप each paper को cover up करो. Give maximum 1 to 1.5 day for each paper, so that you will get an idea how to revise your paper just the day before your exam. क्योंकि the day before your exam is the most important day which is going to matter, and that is the day which is going to decide कि how you are going to write in your paper. बिना रिविजन किए आप कुछ थोड़ी लिख पाओगे. So important ये भी है, पढ़ना खाली important नहीं है, but इतने vast syllabus को हम लोग 1 day के अंदर कैसे रिवाइज करें, that is also very important. तो उसका भी प्रैक्टिस कर लो ताकि एग्जाम्स के एक दिन पहले आपको बिल्कुल कोई भी टाइप का टेंशन ना हो. ठीक है? So 1.5 day अभी वाला जो रिविजन होगा, ensure कि आप 80% syllabus को you are revising, and also ensure you have solved the MTPs. Already we have done the MTP. ठीक है? In fact we have done 2 sets of MTP. So if you guys haven't done it with us, please do it from our session. It is there. It will save your time. Apart from that, last 4 days आपको क्या करना है? The just 4 days preceding your exams, revise the first subject of your exam, which may be either law or it will be financial account. ठीक है? If you are opting for a new syllabus, it may be law, and for existing syllabus financial account, as well as for the final level student corporate law. ठीक है? So 1 day before the exam matters the most, and that will be determining your performance. All the performance will depend upon 1 day. वो 1 day में आपका रिविजन कैसा है. अगर उस दिन आपने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से रिविजन किया है, अपने आप को मोटिवेटेड रखा है, पॉजिटिव रखा है, trust me guys, you're going to give your best shot in the exam. Avoid stress, being nervous, because this will only increase your anxiety, and we do not want this at point of time. And avoid eating heavy food which makes you drowsy, which makes you sleepy, especially rice, dal, fried food, junk food. Please avoid करो. और बीच बीच में ना पावर नैप लो, पावर ब्रेक्स लो, और रात में इंश्योर करना एटलीस्ट यू आर स्लीपिंग फॉर 5 to 6 hours of continuous sleep. For theory paper it becomes very monotonous, so when you are unable to retain the concepts, topics, just stand up, start walking and studying. Walk and talk सुना था, walk and study. For practical ensure करना it's not possible, be very much clear it's not possible to solve each and every sum, so please start revising with the formulas of the chapter, concepts of the chapter, and thereafter just read one master sum, and if any important adjustment which you have marked previously, just go through that. खाली आप रिविजन करोगे प्रैक्टिकल फॉर्मूलाज को और एक मास्टर सम को. ठीक है? एंड ऑल्सो डू नॉट वरी, MEPL is going to come and meet you every day before your exam. 1 day before your exam we are going to take your booster series and doses. So guys, please do not panic, do not worry, and also give your best shot. Be very positive. The more positive you are going to reflect your positive performance in your paper. Start being very positive and stop saying negative. क्योंकि कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं बोलना है. नेगेटिव बोलोगे तो फिर लाइफ में नेगेटिव हो सकता है. एंड ऑल्सो स्टे अवे फ्रॉम द नेगेटिव पीपल हु आर डीमोटिवेटिंग यू कंटिन्यूअसली. एंड ऑल्सो मैं आपको एक चीज़ और बताना चाहती हूँ, ऑल्दो आई शुड नॉट से यू, बट अभी एक बहुत बड़ा स्कैम चल रहा है. आई डो नॉट नो वाई पीपल आर पुलिंग अस डाउन. ठीक है? बिकॉज यू ऑलवेज नो MEPL का मतलब होता है CMA, है ना. वी लव यू ऑल गाइज. पता है आपके लिए हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा वरीड रहते हैं. वी ऑलवेज कीप ऑन डूइंग समथिंग न्यू फॉर यू, सो दैट वी कैन इंश्योर अवर स्टूडेंट्स गिव देयर बेस्ट शॉट in the exam, and not only in the exam, even after your exams we always pray and we are there for you so that you get the best placement in the jobs also. ठीक है? तो नीडलेस टू से दैट बिकॉज आई नो यू गाइस सपोर्ट अस, बट प्लीज अगर कुछ भी ऐसा आपको नेगेटिविटी दिखाई देता है ना, तो प्लीज क्लैरिफाई करके बोलो कि MEPL इज ऑलवेज देयर विद अस, ठीक है। और मुझे नहीं बोलना है, मुझे उन लोगों से लड़ना भी नहीं है, बिकॉज वी नो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग एंड वी हैव बीन डूइंग फ्रॉम पास्ट ईयर्स, सो आई डू नॉट वांट टू गो इनटू ऑल दोज नेगेटिव थिंग्स ऑफ लाइफ, बिकॉज वी हैव सो मेनी पॉजिटिव थिंग्स टू डू इन आवर लाइफ। यस गाइस, सो स्टे मोटिवेटेड, स्टे चार्ज्ड अप एंड गिव योर बेस्ट शॉट, ऑल द very very best guys, rock your exams, bye.